Now, the INC candidate Bimol Akoijam has said that the cadres who adhered to true ideology of BJP must be embarrassed of the immoral behavior and uncivilized acts of BJP leaders. In a press meet held yesterday at Bimol Akoijam's residence in Akoijam, he expressed discontentment over the unfolding incidents which allegedly took place on the day of the election. He stated that even if the authority concerned fails to take cognizance of the incidents, central agency will eventually unmask the perpetrators. Every section of the society must condemn the disruption caused at certain polling booths. He further said that such barbaric culture must be uprooted.
चाहे खान दे आई जब दोहल के मिखल सिदी हाने के साधारण रेगुलर इलेक्शन दोंगे लोगी गनु मैं हमसे उबीरा मुनि को unprecedented अमुक तो थोकी दी बमोंगे इलेक्शन यहाँ दर कैसे को यहाँ पुनः का public conscious ओइद न थादा नब तो नरे बसीदा अमुक तो थेंग द बदुम कोई ब इथिल हाउरे बदुम आइना positive ओइब पोट में हम तो negative ओइब हम सुया उखरे बंसे जे violence माइन तो वसी में हम सु थेंग रा मोइन खाली हाने को capital city मकते दा तौरी बा मवों involve तौरी हाई groups is more clarified of the election ko violent nupi the mokuri me legain thing I want them tin thawai so ever ko and I am telling you BJP in Delhi in other states will be embarrassed to say there the conduct of the BJP Manipur state unit. They will be ashamed to see that this is our BJP cadres behavior in the state of Manipur.
Meanwhile, former Minister K. Ratan Kumar said, keeping aside winning or losing the election, the incident has woken the people. INC has nominated Bimol Akoijam to eradicate the culture of corruption and to bring a change in governance. Dismayed with the events, K. Ratan Kumar lamented the distressing scenes of assaulting a woman, firing and intimidation by unknown miscreants. He said Congress has already filed a complaint to CEO Manipur and ECI for a report.
Imphal East, West, Adige Thawal, Bisenpur, Tokriba Mamsa, party site election commission, the Akoigi, Lapalagre, Masigi report, Taunanaba, Kulai Pipe or any XYZ or group or Tori Mamsi, people like Torka doing. Other people get support down to the Kamanakan. Automatically they will collapse. Akoi party Adugi, Wang Acton, Natabida, a chow web mem, Tielamatamda, Web Ama, Ture Zikaginoda, Okuna, Mam Kudumaki Masigi, Apam Boiba, Adia Koi Hydopungam, Nova Mamma, Quigi was a bit more now. Aki Valatana, Hyrakus in the Maramu, Kanda, Adugi, like minded Mam Siki, Punjilapa, Mikaro, Badagi, Akwiki, Yam Kalapa, Mass movement of Morapa. Other Masaki people's movement ama when a lakumatam that day. I think no force can defeat it, so will prevail. Other Adugi can do the Tazabale.